Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your INFINIX Note 60. First, what you guys want to do is remove a screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. So, you need to understand that whenever you have your screen protector, if it's not applied perfectly on the screen or correctly, then it will cause your screen to either have ghost touches, so it will be like random taps on your screen, or it will just be unresponsive. Now the same goes for the case, but if the case goes over the bezel, which is a dark line right here, this side, the black part between the side of the phone and the main screen, you should also remove it because it can also block the screen and it can also cause the ghost touches to appear, and we definitely do not want it. What are we going to do next is we're going to clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture, and we're going to be using a microfiber cloth as our cleaner. So as a bonus, we will also get rid of every single fingerprint. Now let's go over and swipe it on our phone. We're going to swipe it around 3 to 4 times and it should be good. So as you guys can see, it is good. And what are we going to do next is we're simply going to go and update our software to fix any touch issues as a last resort. So you can do that by going into settings, by going into INFINIX Note 60, by pressing check for updates. And as you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And it is very important that you update it because you don't want any old glitches or glitches like ghostage to appear on your phone. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.